Kwa ihinda ruhonge rwa gutabanio thuthuria wigie kahua ni uthiete thi na rutikoretwo rukirutira murimi wa kahua wira na ugatiga murimi ahinyirikite na ingi yao magatiganiria urimi ucio kuona nduramahe maciaro.
In 2019 with similar results.
Irita njira ya kuriukia ruhonge ruru, thirikari nene tongoretio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya urimi Hamadi Boga ni augite ni maigite keheri mbeca iria gukorwo igiteithiriria ruhonge ruru.
So part of our objective as a government is to bring back the youth into agriculture and to professionalize agriculture. And part of the discussions we are working with World Bank is to see how to do that, how to make coffee farming and the coffee sector value chain activities relevant for the youth.
Araragia ari kigomano-ini kia rugamiriria kahua kaunti-ini ya Mombasa na kuga ni mehariirie gucokia riri wa kahua bururi-ini na ni merigereire gukorwo makiamukira mbeca icio kuma mwaka ukite.
We will also try to put a lot of emphasis on issues of productivity. When we do the e-voucher for the agriculture sector, it's not just going to target maize, it's also going to target coffee. And the e-voucher comes with a package for the coffee farmer. That includes also extension, support with agrochemicals, and support with the inputs, other inputs.
Arugamiriria ruhonge ruru matongoretio ni Dorothy Tembo ni maugite arimi a kahua ni makoretwo magithi hathara nene kuona maguragirwo kahua kao na thogora wa raithi indi thutha wa kigomano kiu ni maraiguithanirie murimi arorwo niguo kahua gakorwo akimarehera umithio.
And there is a whole regulation which will be gazetted to guide on how that will be implemented. And all of it will be managed through an e-voucher system, an electronic system. The farmers must be registered, they must belong to non-organization, they must have a farm, they must be producing, and it will be given against their produce. Yeah, but this is still work in progress, and there are consultations with stakeholders to make sure that it's done the right way.
Riu arimi mari na mwihoko ati thithino yao ndigukorwo ikiurira thi wona thirikari yehotora kuhingia kiraniro kiao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Nduta Wanyuthe.